Welcome to Simple Making Home Theater System. This is the Kisan tiffin box of my children, unused and left in the house more than 20 years back scrap, which I used for making a car stereo. The parts that are required for this video, this project, I'll explain. This tiffin box is a square box in which I have purchased around 80 rupees. This is the IC4440 amplifier board. This is the MP3 decoder and FM radio player along with micro SD, USB port, auxiliary cable. Costs around 150 rupees depending on the quality, and it may even cost more or less. This is 7812 IC for supply of 12 volt DC. This is 7805 to supply 5 volt DC. This is the on off switch, and this is the power supply in. These 2 points are audio outs. I took soldering iron to make a hole in the box for fixing MP3 decoder, switch, and also these points. Then I used hot glue gun and used the glue to fix this board to the box. I used a scrap and empty air purifier box and cut it and used it as a heat sink for these two ICs. Now I will show you the front portion of this MP3 decoder. This is the MP3 decoder, which has USB, micro SD auxiliary cable with a recording facility and volume up down buttons and LCD display. I have put a switch power for the system, and these are the points of audio outs, and also you can see the side here, the power pin. I put extra these two cables for make it 4.1 channel audio. Now regarding the wiring, I'll explain like this. The power positive I have taken from input to switch to this positive to IC 7812 in, and I have took the neutral from the supply to the IC 7812 neutral and took out pins 7812 out to the amplifier board in, and from 7812 out I have taken to 7805 in and 7805 out to the MP3 decoder, which requires 5 volt supply. Amplifier requires 12 volt supply. These two supplies are given like this, and audio right from this MP3 decoder, audio center is ground. This is FM. Right and left cables are connected to the amplifiers right left cables. These are the cables which are connected. From this I have connected to these out. From out I have put a pin to the speaker for testing purpose. These are the connections which you can see here. These are the connections. This is the connection I have taken out from this red and black, and given these two to the speaker wire. This is the speaker wire which goes here, and now let me put the power in here. I have put the power in, and I am switching on the power. Now power supplied to the system, but since I have not put any switch, I have not switched it on, power has not come. Now I am switching it on. Switch on. Now you can see
FM mode.
This is remote.
Power off.
It has high volume, and since for testing only I have put one speaker of a low capacity output, by increasing the volume it is getting distortion. But however, you can have a big size speakers and enjoy the music system. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.